Good morning, my friend. Before the noise of the world enters your mind, before duties pull you in many directions, take a slow breath here. This story is not rushed. It is gentle, calm, and warm, like soft sunlight touching the day for the first time. As you read, let your thoughts slow down. Let your English improve naturally, quietly, without pressure. This peaceful story will help you start your morning with clarity, calm energy, and a fresh mindset. Now, let us begin. The morning arrives without sound, like a quiet promise. The sky slowly changes color, moving from deep blue to soft gold. The air feels clean and light, as if the world has been gently washed during the night. Nothing demands attention yet. Nothing rushes forward. This moment exists only to be noticed. And in this calm space, something meaningful begins to grow. Light spreads little by little, touching walls, windows, and empty streets. Shadows move gently, stretching and then disappearing. The world feels balanced at this hour. There is no past to worry about and no future to fear. Only this simple moment remains, steady and peaceful, inviting awareness and calm understanding. A soft breeze passes through open spaces, carrying freshness with it. The air feels new, like a blank page waiting for words. Everything feels possible, not in a loud or exciting way, but in a quiet and reassuring way. This kind of morning does not shout. It whispers, reminding the mind to slow down and the heart to stay calm. Sounds begin to appear one by one. A distant movement, a gentle rhythm, a soft sign that the world is waking up. These sounds do not disturb the calm. They blend into it, creating harmony instead of noise. Each sound feels like part of a careful design, placed exactly where it belongs. Time feels different here. Minutes do not chase each other. They flow smoothly, like water moving through a calm river. There is no need to hurry. The morning offers enough space for thoughts to settle and emotions to find balance. This is the hour where peace feels natural, not forced. Warmth slowly enters the air. The coolness of night fades without resistance. The change is gentle, respectful. It teaches an important lesson without using words. Growth does not need force. Change does not need struggle. Some of the most powerful shifts happen quietly. The space feels safe for reflection. Thoughts come and go without pressure. There is no judgment here, no expectation to be perfect. Mistakes from yesterday lose their weight. Worries about tomorrow feel smaller. The present moment becomes strong enough to hold everything. This calm morning holds a simple truth. Every day begins the same way, with opportunity. Not the loud kind filled with stress and competition, but the quiet kind filled with choice. A choice to move slowly. A choice to speak kindly. A choice to focus on what truly matters. Gentle light continues to rise, revealing more details. Colors become clearer. Shapes gain meaning. The world does not rush to show everything at once. It reveals itself step by step, teaching patience through example. Understanding comes naturally when there is no pressure. The calm atmosphere creates space for learning. Words feel lighter. Sentences feel easier to understand. Language flows better when the mind is relaxed. In this peaceful state, English becomes less like a subject and more like a soft rhythm, easy to follow and easy to remember. The morning feels generous. It offers time, clarity, and quiet strength. It does not demand attention, but it rewards it. Those who pause here feel grounded, steady, and prepared, not for battle, but for balance. Stillness shows its power. Without movement, without sound, it creates deep energy. This energy does not push forward aggressively. It supports gently, like a steady hand on the back, guiding without force. Breathing feels slower, deeper. Each breath feels complete. The body and mind begin to move together instead of fighting each other. This harmony feels natural, as if it has always been waiting to return. The world continues waking up, but the calm remains. Activity does not destroy peace when peace is strong. Instead, calm spreads into movement, guiding it, shaping it into something meaningful. Thoughts become clearer. Priorities arrange themselves quietly. What is important stands out. What is unnecessary fades away. This clarity does not arrive through effort. It arrives through stillness. The morning reminds the mind of a forgotten skill: presence. Being fully here, without distraction, without regret. Just here. This simple state brings deep satisfaction, deeper than excitement or achievement. Light now fills the space completely. The day has arrived, but it does not feel heavy. It feels open, ready. The calm from the early moments stays, becoming a foundation instead of disappearing. This peaceful beginning shapes everything that follows. Words spoken later will carry more kindness. Actions taken later will carry more purpose. Decisions made later will feel more balanced. All because the day started gently. The quiet teaches discipline without rules. It shows that consistency does not need force. Showing up calmly every morning builds strength more reliably than sudden bursts of effort. There is beauty in repetition. Each morning arrives with the same gift, waiting to be accepted. Some days it is ignored. Some days it is rushed. But when it is welcomed, it transforms the entire day. This moment holds no pressure to succeed. It only asks for awareness. Awareness is enough. From awareness, better choices naturally grow. The calm atmosphere feels protective. Stress struggles to enter. Fear feels out of place. Confidence grows quietly, without needing proof or validation. This is where peace becomes practical. It is not an escape from life. It is preparation for life. A calm beginning creates a stable center that remains even when challenges appear. The morning slowly moves forward, but its lesson stays behind. Move gently. Speak clearly. Listen carefully. Progress steadily. These lessons do not fade with time. They strengthen with practice. Language learning feels easier here. Words connect naturally. Meanings become clear without struggle. The calm mind absorbs knowledge like soft soil absorbs rain. There is no competition in this space. No comparison. Growth happens individually, quietly, honestly. This creates confidence that does not depend on others. The calm morning does not promise perfection. It promises balance. Balance is enough to handle mistakes, delays, and surprises. As the day continues, this peaceful beginning acts like an anchor. When noise increases, the mind remembers stillness. When pressure rises, the breath remembers calm. The world now feels alive, but not overwhelming. Movement flows smoothly. Purpose feels clear. Energy feels stable. This is the power of starting the morning right. Not with urgency, not with fear, but with calm intention and quiet focus. The lesson is simple but deep. Peace is not something to find later. It is something to begin with. And as the day fully unfolds, this gentle beginning stays within, shaping thoughts, guiding actions, and reminding the mind that calm is always available. Starting with the very first moment of the day. Take this calm with you. Let it guide your English learning, your thinking, and your life. This peaceful start is not just a story. It is an invitation, one that waits for you every morning.